Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that September has actually closed in green when it comes to Bitcoin, and now October has started. Let's talk about that. The second thing I would like to mention is let's look at the US dollar, compare it to other fiat currencies in the last 10 years, and also let's look at Bitcoin. And the third topic is all about that 1.5 billion US dollar has evaporated in the last 30 days, so basically in September, from the stablecoin market, and how the stablecoin market looks right now. Let's have a look. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content here on Blockchain Bloom. You're getting these longer videos or the short videos every single day. So if you'd like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, just subscribe, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Let's start today's show. Okay, and let's look at these green prices right now. Bitcoin is up actually more than 4%. We haven't seen this for a while. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum 2.7% up. When we're looking at the top gainers, Bitcoin SV 16%, Torchain 11%, eCash 10%. Among losers, Maker 5% down, GMX 4% down, Chainlink 2.6% down. So overall, now we looking kind of good. When we're looking at here Bitcoin price, then one important thing is this blue line, which here on the daily is the 200-day moving average. However, when we're looking at this here on the weekly, Bitcoin has also crossed that on the weekly. So it's very important now to close above it. So not just like yesterday when we just closed under it, we should close above it. This could be a bullish sign, which can us bring up further, definitely, step by step. First this beginning of 29,000 US dollar. Yeah, but it also can happen that it was a nice try and we go under again. So we're going to see how Bitcoin going to perform in the next couple of days during this week. Can the weekly one close above the 200 moving average? That would be actually a stronger signal than the daily, but at least we see some moves. The volume is not that strong on the other hand. So yeah, we will see what's going to happen. Anyway, let's talk about the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Bitcoin has actually closed September in green, and historically we call October. But why? Let's talk about that. Historically, September is a bad month for Bitcoin. However, now we can see that since 2016, the first time ever, Bitcoin has closed green in September. Let's look at this here. It shows everything quite clearly. So here we have September's, right? So the 2 months since 2013, which closed in 2 Septembers, which closed in green, was 2015 and 16 with 2.3 and 6.04%. And now we had Bitcoin here with 3.9% up compared to the start of the month. And well, the important thing is that when we're looking at October, as Bitcoin was, usually red in September, October is usually green and heavily green in some years. Therefore, we call it Uptober in many cases. And we had just 2 years when actually it was red, and historically mostly it's green. And well, just play here with the years. When we're looking at 2015 and 16, when we had a green September, then the rest of the year it stayed green. So October, November, December. Can this happen this year? So this is now the question. And of course, A lot of things can happen in October. Don't forget about this FTX trial. Some skeletons come out of the closet. On the other hand, maybe in the rest of the year, some spot Bitcoin ETF improvement can happen. Not saying it's for sure, but possibilities. And right now the market started to move. We have been really sideways in September. Even if it wasn't red, it didn't really move. When you're looking at this here, when it's here September, this is here 1st of September. So here to here, and now on the 1st of October, really as we started October started the pump after this sideways movements. But how strong this will be, how long it will last, we're going to see. Of course, it always can something can happen which push down a little bit the price. But sooner or later, the sideways movement will be over, because a lot of bullish things coming in 2024 probably. We don't know it for sure, but the halving is for sure, for example, which could be one of the catalysts. Right. Okay. But let's talk about the second topic I wanted to bring up. And this is when we're looking at how the US dollar performed to other fiat currencies, even that the US dollar is also inflating. So I found this one on Twitter, and actually it shows the global currencies 10-year returns versus the United States dollar. And I hope you can see it on the screen well. I cannot really zoom in a bit more to see everything here, but actually you can do it this way. So when we're looking at this part, we have the worst performers: Venezuelan bolivar, the Argentine peso, Turkish lira. All this, 99.9%, 98.3%, 92.6% in the last 10 years. And then we have here the middle sector. We're looking at the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar. Japanese yen is minus 34, Australian dollar minus 31. British pound minus 24, the euro minus 22, and some which has done better is, for example, the Singapore dollar with 8.5. This is interesting, the Swiss franc, because Swiss franc usually performs better. It's an interesting pick with minus 1.6, but whatever. But this number, it's very, very interesting. Plus 21,000 percentage. The Bitcoin, returns compare to US dollar in the last 10 years. And even if this will not continue, which such a big number in the next 10 years, or who knows, but still it shows a message that how Bitcoin is outperforming all the currency, because this is compared to US dollar, which is supposed to be here the strongest, and everything here on the list, it's down compared to the US dollar when we're looking at the 10-year returns. Of course, I haven't checked every single one by one. This rather just gives an overall picture. There could be slight changes maybe in percentages. This one is a bit suspicious for me, the Swiss franc. How is that possible? In 10 years, I think it's rather up compared to the US dollar, but whatever. But bottom line, it does show the big picture. It makes us think to how and where to hold our savings. Okay, and the third topic is all about the stablecoin market, which where 1.5 billion US dollar has been evaporating in the last 30 days, so basically in September. Stablecoin market is also very important because this is the place when investors many times hold their money waiting to enter into Bitcoin and enter into altcoins. And so when we're looking at the stablecoin market, 1.52 billion evaporates from stablecoin in 30 days. So basically in September. And now the present stablecoin market cap is 123 billion US dollar. When we looking at, for example, the best performer, not in September, but like in general, so the biggest stablecoin by market cap, it's definitely Tether. And Tether went up actually 0.5% in September. With that, it holds the 67.65% of the total stablecoin market. And then when we're looking at here, another gainer was through USD with 18.6% up in market cap, and USDD actually 0.6 up. However, the rest of them, and then we can see USDC, we can see DAI, they also went down. So money moved away from these stable coins. And obviously, BUSD is the one which has been hit recently quite hard since Paxos stopped issuing BUSD, 26.4% down. But this is the reason why. So right now, this is how the stablecoin market looks like, and this is the money kinda, which is waiting to enter into into altcoins, into Bitcoin. Yeah, of course, one part will stay in stablecoins, but when the bull market starts, there is plenty of money on side which can enter. This is just one thing, and of course, fresh money can also enter into the game. So we just going to see when the real move will start. We don't know the one which we just witnessing. It's just like, a fake out or something like that. We have to be patient, but at least some movements in the air. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting these fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain So there's longer videos, and every single day a couple of short videos, so you always stay up to date. The only thing you have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, if you like this kind of content when I'm creating, you like this video, then hit the like button. Don't forget, because this helps the channel to grow, and also it's a great feedback for me. So I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.